Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the Blender app for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Blender app for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Blender, since that's where we can download their app. So just search for blender.org on your search bar. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download the Blender app on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download option right here. Just go and click it. And then you will be directed to the downloading page of Blender. So right here, if you are using a Windows PC or laptop, you can just click this download button right here to start installing the app. But if you're using a different device such as Mac or Linux, just click this and then select the Blender version that suits for your device. But in my case, I'm using Windows, so I will just click this download button right here. And after that, your Blender will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. And right here, you just need to agree to their terms and license agreement. So just check this agreement box and then click next to proceed. And then here, your system will show you the location where your Blender app installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click browse and then set it to the folder where you want to save it. But if you're already fine with the location, just click next. And then finally, you can now click the install button. And after clicking it, your Blender app will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have Blender app installed and you can now use it for things like 3D modeling, animation, video editing, and more. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.